Looking for the best 4K dashcam for your car? With so many options available, choosing the right one can be challenging. That's why we've researched customer reviews, ratings, and key features to bring you the top 5 best 4K dashcams on the market. Whether you need crystal clear video quality, GPS tracking, night vision, or reliable parking protection, there's an option here for you. Watch until the end to find out which dashcam offers the best value and performance. Item number 5. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a feature-packed 4K dashcam designed for drivers who want complete protection on the road. With a 3-channel camera system, built-in GPS, and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, it captures every detail from multiple angles. The Sony IMX307 sensor delivers impressive night vision, while 24-hour parking monitoring helps keep your vehicle secure even when you're away. Featuring voice control, G-sensor emergency recording, loop recording, and support for up to 512 GB of storage, the M550 Pro offers reliability, convenience, and peace of mind in one smart package. Item number 4. The AZDOME M550 Max is a powerful 4K dashcam built to enhance your driving security. Equipped with built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a 3-camera setup, it records every journey with exceptional clarity. Its Sony IMX307 sensor delivers reliable night vision performance, while the 24-hour parking monitor helps protect your vehicle around the clock. With voice control, G-sensor emergency recording, loop recording, and support for up to 512 GB of storage, the M550 Max combines smart technology, convenience, and dependable protection, making it an excellent choice for modern drivers. Item number 3. The REDTIGER A6 is a premium 4K dashcam built for drivers who demand sharp video quality and dependable protection. Featuring ultra-clear 4K recording, built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and GPS tracking, it captures every drive with impressive detail. Its Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.55 aperture deliver enhanced night vision performance, helping you record clear footage even in low light. With loop recording, motion detection, parking monitoring, G-sensor emergency protection, and support for up to 256 GB of storage, the REDTIGER A6 offers powerful security and peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Item number 2. The 70mm M800 is a high-performance 4K dashcam designed to deliver exceptional clarity and intelligent driving protection. Powered by the advanced Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor, it captures sharp, detailed footage, day and night. With built-in GPS, ADAS safety alerts, voice control, and 24-hour parking guard, it helps keep you informed and protected on every journey. The built-in 128GB eMMC storage eliminates the need for memory cards, while Wi-Fi and 4G compatibility add extra convenience. For drivers seeking smart features and reliable performance, the 70mm M800 is a standout choice. Item number 1. Taking the top spot is the 70mm T800, a premium 3-channel 4K dashcam packed with cutting-edge technology. Featuring a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, HDR recording, GPS, ADAS, and ultra-fast Wi-Fi 6, it delivers exceptional video quality in any lighting condition. The front, rear, and interior cameras provide complete vehicle coverage, while 4G connectivity enables real-time alerts and remote monitoring for added peace of mind. With voice control, 24-hour parking surveillance, time-lapse recording, and support for up to 512 GB of storage, the 70mm T800 is the ultimate choice for maximum security and convenience.